Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Hootsuite to schedule branded posts with approval checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw with Hootsuite for scheduling branded posts, begin by logging into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the Publishers section on the left-hand menu. Click on Campaigns to access your content calendar and scheduled posts. Select the specific post you want to withdraw from the calendar view. Once the post is open, locate the Withdraw option in the Post Details sidebar. Click on Withdraw to remove the post from scheduling. Next, confirm your action when prompted, ensuring you want to withdraw the selected post. Once withdrawn, the post will no longer appear in your scheduled content. To schedule a new post with approval checks, return to the Publishers section. Click on Create to draft a new post. Fill in the content fields including text, image, and any relevant links. Select the appropriate social media accounts for posting. Before finalizing, locate the approval workflow settings. Ensure the option for Request Approval is enabled. Add the approvers who need to review the post before it goes live. Review your post for any last-minute edits or adjustments. Once satisfied, click on Schedule to set a specific time for posting. Finally, confirm your scheduled post appears in the content calendar. This process ensures your branded posts are created, reviewed, and scheduled efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.